Make crack like this. Make crack like this. Make crack. Make crack. Make crack like this.
Let me give a shout out to the D-Boys, drug dealers, neighborhood dope man. I mean realness. That'll make $1 out of 15 cents. Ain't got a job but a ride and pay the rent. Professional crack slinger. I serve fiends. I once went to jail for having rocks up in my jeans, but nowadays I be too smart for the tag. See, murder be known for keeping rocks up in a skillet bag.